gotta give them a pretty face to look at, or not see, really. I don't know how girls do this every morning.
Hey guys, you're watching Livin MN Outdoors. Today we're gonna do some early goose hunting here in central Minnesota. Should be a good decent day here. Had a little rain last night, have a little cloud cover this morning. The geese have really been moving here. We're hunting water, unfortunately. I'd love to be in a field, but we have a few farm ponds. They put out a few geese yesterday, so hopefully we can get on another one today and kill some more. Stay tuned.
Zach, you heard them geese anymore?
Hear geese off to the east.
Okay.
They're gonna drop in. Give them some single honks.
I think so.
I totally missed that. That's what happens when you keep your head weighed down, folks. You miss the shot.
I could have said Dagum. I thought you were watching it. It's all
So
right.
we don't hunt with a bird dog because I'm better than any bird dog on this side of the Mississippi, so y'all just watch this.
He is literally the best bird dog this side of the Mississippi. Good job, bird dog. Woo.
One down. 5 more to go.
Take them. Oh yeah!
Snagged him right at the end.
Oh,
I need more shells.
Get loaded up. Get loaded up.
Finish him.
you might have to go after them.
Number two. Another Canadian honker. Taking a nap. Whew.
They're quiet today. So it's working. It's working.
Maybe them other ones will get up off those lakes now the sun's shining.
Just keep your head down.
Shucks.
Take them.
Wow. Nice shot, dude. You gave him a face full of steel, that's for sure. Face planted right in the water. Dang. Zach downed another bird, so I get to go for another swim. That's what, 3 today I think I've gone out for. But yeah, it's been a good day so far, killing birds, so that's all that matters. Whew. This is what you call a genuine Canadian honker.
There you go.
Still no jewelry. Hoping for that one day, but we'll get one.
He'll come back. Not our bird.
Huh.
Got some geese coming in.
These guys are locked up and loaded What happened? They're coming back. I wouldn't let them circle again. Take them. Yeah, we dropped one. Could have done a little better on the shooting on that one, but ooh, we got one.
Kind of thought they were a little high.
They were. I didn't want to give them another look though.
Yeah. That's another flight canceled. Whew. Hey guys,
little mid-morning update for you here. Shot 5 geese. One of them unfortunately got away, so we have 4 in our stack. Pretty confident we'll be able to find that other one here later. Been executing things really well. We've had most of the birds that have came over have been interested. It's been really good. We've been getting them to decoy nice and hardly have any taking second looks. So it's been a really nice setup here for a little farm pond shoot. It hasn't been too bad. It's like I'd like to be in a field right now, but you know, we just can't yet. Our fields haven't been harvested. So I don't know, what do you think? You got anything to add?
Well, a couple things we changed from yesterday or last night really was it was dead calm last night. The decoys were not moving. So anytime birds came to take a look, they were not having it. We got a little bit of a breeze today, so the decoys are moving. We kind of spread them out so they didn't look so clustered and nervous. Yeah, birds are seeing them from miles away and they're already locked up. They're committed coming in. So that's been the biggest game changer for us today, I think.
Yeah, we're running about, I think we got 2 dozen.
Yeah, 2 dozen.
We got 2 dozen floaters.
No problems with the Super X4s this morning either. They've been flinging shells out like no tomorrow. So
yeah, they have been rocking some worlds.
Heck yeah.
Dude, I've never seen a shot that good on a hunting film ever before.
That was sick.
That was like unreal.
That is, ouch. Canadian honker number 5. Whew.
See, this is what makes him a good bird dog. He cleans up the decoys. Good job, bird dog!
But it's a little chilly.
Well, I hope you guys are enjoying your Labor Day weekend. We sure did right here. Had an excellent Sunday morning hunt for, I'd say for a farm hunt. It was just open water farm, awesome little pond shoot that we had. Brought the heat with the Super X4. Yeah, so these guys are great. If you're thinking about buying a new shotgun for waterfowl season, definitely look into this gun right here. It's a great gun for the money. In fact, I would argue that it's maybe the best gun for the money. So yeah, look into them guys. But we had an excellent day. I don't know, do you have a highlight moment of the day you'd like to share?
I barely pulled the trigger, but Zach took down a goose probably about 50 yards in the air. He just one shot cracked that sucker and pulled it up, just dropped right into the pond. That was probably one of the best shots I've ever seen. And that we actually had birds commit a long ways away. That was awesome to have birds, not need to circle us 2-3 times before they committed. They liked the spread, the wind was good for them, they were locked up a mile out, and they just cruised right on in.
Yeah, and I want to talk about that just for a moment. That was really the highlight of my day too, was just having geese that were committed. It's so crucial, guys, when you're setting up spreads, set them up so that way your geese are not finishing looking at you. If you're in the background, you're gonna be way more exposed. They're gonna see you. It's so crucial to set your spread up so that you're not behind your decoys completely. We were getting good, nice broadside shots, and we were hitting a lot of our birds. So it was a really good response to the decoys. Really great day out there on the water. Couldn't really ask for much more. Like I said at the beginning, hope you guys had a great Labor Day weekend, and God bless. Have a great one.